Hello, in front of me I have Lenovo Smartwatch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smartwatch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the smartwatch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your smartphone on your smartwatch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Lenovo Smartwatch application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we can open the Lenovo Smartwatch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you might get asked to allow a couple of permissions. For example, phone permission. You need to allow them for the notifications to work, so I'm gonna allow it. And then we can tap on the personal center right here and select our Watch S2 from the list of devices. On this page, find the option called Message Notification and tap on it. And this might prompt more permissions. Basically, we need to allow required permissions for the notifications to work. So we need to tap on Allow, tap on it again, tap on Turn On Now, find the Lenovo Smartwatch on the list of applications, tap on it, tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access, tap on Allow, go back to the app, tap on Message Notification again, and this will prompt probably more permissions, so let's allow them. And once you're done with the permissions, it should open the message notification page. And here we can customize the notification settings. We can enable and disable the notifications for incoming call reminder, SMS reminder, and some apps like WeChat, QQ reminder, Skype, WhatsApp, and stuff like that. If you want to receive the notifications about calls on your phone, you need to enable the incoming call reminder. If you want to receive the notifications about the SMS messages, you need to enable the SMS reminder. And if you want to receive the notifications from any of the apps right here on the list, you need to enable the notifications for them by tapping on the switch. And once you're done, you can close the app. And at this point, you should be able to receive the phone notifications on your watch. And you can check them by waking up the screen on your watch by pressing the side button and then swiping up on the screen. And here you should see the notifications if you have any. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.